The liver is one of the most important organs in the human body. It performs hundreds of essential functions every day, including filtering toxins, metabolizing nutrients, and producing bile to aid digestion. When the liver is overwhelmed by unhealthy habits, processed foods, or environmental toxins, it may struggle to keep up with its workload. Fortunately, adopting a plant-based diet can support liver health naturally. By choosing alimentos organicos and minimizing desperdicio, we not only care for our bodies but also for the planet. Liver detoxification doesn't require extreme diets or supplements. It begins with incorporating foods that assist the liver in its natural cleansing processes. Leafy greens, like spinach, kale, and arugula, are rich in chlorophyll, which helps neutralize heavy metals and pesticides. These greens also support bile production, which is crucial for flushing toxins from the body. Including them in daily meals can make a difference in liver function. For example, a salad of kale with lemon juice and olive oil is not only simple but also an excellent liver booster. Cruciferous vegetables such as broccoli, Brussels sprouts, and cauliflower increase the liver's ability to detoxify carcinogens. These vegetables contain glucosinolates, which stimulate the production of detoxification enzymes in the liver. Including steamed broccoli in your dinner or adding cauliflower rice to your lunch can contribute significantly to liver health. Also, these vegetables are easy to find as alimentos organicos in most local markets or community-supported agriculture programs. Beets are another powerful ally for the liver. They contain antioxidants like betalains and are high in fiber. Fiber aids in digestion and ensures that toxins are excreted efficiently. A juice made of beets, carrots, and lemon is not only delicious but also a natural liver cleanser. When possible, use organic beets to avoid chemical residues that the liver would otherwise need to process. This is a great way to reduce desperdicio by using every part of the beet, from root to leaves. Garlic is well known for its sulfur-containing compounds, which activate liver enzymes that help flush out toxins. Even a small clove of garlic a day can have a profound effect on liver health. Garlic is also antibacterial and supports the immune system. A plant-based garlic soup with organic onions and herbs can be both healing and comforting. It's also an effective strategy to avoid desperdicio by using leftover vegetable parts for broth. Citrus fruits, especially lemons and limes, are high in vitamin C and antioxidants. They help the liver produce glutathione, a compound involved in detoxification. Starting your morning with a glass of warm water and lemon is a simple yet powerful habit. Always opt for organic lemons to avoid pesticide intake. You can also add citrus zest to salads or smoothies, reducing food waste and enhancing flavor. Turmeric is a spice that has received a lot of attention for its anti-inflammatory properties. Curcumin, its active compound, promotes bile production and supports liver cell regeneration. A turmeric latte made with organic almond milk and a dash of black pepper can be both delicious and beneficial. Consuming plant-based sources of turmeric is a smart way to incorporate it daily. Also, buying turmeric in bulk reduces packaging desperdicio and is often more economical. Avocados are not just tasty, they are full of healthy fats that support liver health. They also help the body produce glutathione naturally. Eating 1 or 2 avocados a week can contribute to lowering liver stress. An organic avocado spread on whole grain toast makes a nutrient-dense breakfast. Plus, the avocado seed can be dried and grated into smoothies, minimizing desperdicio in the kitchen. Nuts, particularly walnuts, are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and arginine, an amino acid that aids in ammonia detoxification. A handful of organic walnuts as a snack supports brain and liver health. Integrating nuts into a plant-based diet is simple, and they can be added to salads, oatmeal, or energy bars. Store them properly to extend shelf life and prevent waste. Green tea contains catechins, a type of antioxidant that improves liver function. Drinking 1 to 2 cups of organic green tea daily can reduce fat accumulation in the liver and protect it from toxins. Green tea is also hydrating, which supports the elimination of waste through the kidneys. Opt for loose-leaf tea to reduce packaging and desperdicio, and consider composting the used leaves. Whole grains like quinoa, brown rice, and oats support the liver by providing B vitamins and fiber. B vitamins are essential for liver metabolism and energy production. Oats, in particular, help lower cholesterol and improve digestion. A plant-based breakfast with organic oats, fruit, and nuts is nourishing and promotes liver function. Cooking with whole grains also reduces reliance on processed foods, decreasing overall toxic load. Apples contain pectin, a fiber that binds to heavy metals in the digestive tract, making it easier for the liver to eliminate them. A raw organic apple each day can serve as a natural detoxifier. Apples can be sliced into salads, baked with cinnamon, or blended into smoothies. Use apple peels and cores in compost to prevent desperdicio and support a sustainable kitchen. Carrots are high in beta-carotene, which is converted into vitamin A in the body and supports liver health. They also help reduce fat buildup in the liver. A plant-based carrot soup or a raw carrot salad with lemon and herbs can be both refreshing and beneficial. Choosing organic carrots ensures fewer chemical residues and supports healthier farming practices. Artichokes promote bile flow and protect liver cells from damage. They are high in antioxidants and fiber. Steamed organic artichokes with lemon and olive oil are a simple dish that aids liver function. The water used for steaming can be saved as a mild liver tonic. Reducing food desperdicio by using all edible parts of the plant is also an educational opportunity for children and adults alike. Dark berries like blueberries, blackberries, and raspberries are rich in antioxidants that help reduce liver inflammation. Including a handful of organic berries in your diet each day supports the liver and strengthens the immune system. Frozen berries are a great option to reduce waste and enjoy their benefits year-round. Make smoothies, add them to oatmeal, or eat them as a snack. These examples are just the beginning of how food can be used as medicine for the liver. When you build a diet around plant-based principles, with alimentos organicos and an eye on reducing desperdicio, you're creating a sustainable and healthful lifestyle. The liver responds well to small, consistent changes. A daily commitment to eating whole, clean foods can prevent future health issues and improve overall well-being. It's important to see food not just as fuel, but as a way to heal and protect your body's systems. Listening to your body and responding with thoughtful, nutrient-dense meals creates habits that last. You don't need to make dramatic changes overnight. Begin with 1 or 2 foods that support liver health and build from there. Track how you feel and what improves. This awareness leads to better decisions and greater self-care. It's not about restriction, but about nourishment. A balanced plant-based diet, rich in alimentos organicos and mindful of desperdicio, is a gift to your liver and your life. Building on the importance of a plant-based diet for liver health, we can explore additional foods and daily practices that support detoxification. Consistency and variety are key. A diverse range of alimentos organicos introduces unique nutrients and antioxidants that work together to keep the liver strong. These foods not only support liver detox but also help the body deal with environmental toxins, stress, and inflammation. One such food is dandelion greens. Often overlooked, these bitter leaves are powerful for liver cleansing. They stimulate bile production and help the liver filter waste from the blood. Adding dandelion greens to a smoothie or sautéing them with garlic and olive oil is a simple way to include them in your routine. Opting for organic dandelion helps avoid chemicals that can burden the liver. Leftover stems can be composted, minimizing desperdicio. Cilantro, also known as coriander leaves, has been shown to help remove heavy metals from the body. When metals like mercury accumulate, they stress the liver. Cilantro binds to these metals and helps move them out of tissues. Blending cilantro into sauces, soups, or juices makes it easy to consume. Buy alimentos organicos when possible, and use the entire bunch to avoid waste. Flax seeds are rich in omega-3 fatty acids and lignans, which support hormone balance and reduce inflammation. Since the liver is involved in hormone metabolism, flax seeds play a helpful role. Ground flaxseed can be added to oatmeal, smoothies, or baked goods. Keep them refrigerated to preserve freshness. Using bulk organic flaxseed also cuts back on packaging waste, reducing desperdicio. Seaweed, such as nori, kelp, and dulse, provides iodine and antioxidants. It helps protect the liver from oxidative stress and supports thyroid function, which is closely linked to metabolism. A small serving of dried organic seaweed as a snack or sprinkled on soups adds flavor and nutrients. Sustainable harvesting and minimal packaging options support both liver health and environmental goals. Cabbage is another excellent food for liver detox. It contains compounds that promote the production of detoxifying enzymes. Sauerkraut, made from fermented cabbage, also supports gut health, which indirectly benefits the liver. A balanced gut reduces the number of toxins that reach the liver. Homemade sauerkraut from organic cabbage is economical and helps eliminate desperdicio by using simple, whole ingredients. Legumes, including lentils, chickpeas, and black beans, are high in fiber and protein. They help regulate blood sugar and support digestion. A steady blood sugar level reduces pressure on the liver. These plant-based protein sources are versatile and can be prepared in countless ways. Buy dry, organic legumes in bulk to save money and reduce packaging waste. Cook extra portions and freeze them to prevent food waste. Cucumbers have a high water content and help keep the body hydrated. They are low in calories and assist with toxin elimination through the kidneys and liver. Adding cucumber slices to water, salads, or smoothies is an easy habit. Choose alimentos organicos when possible, especially since cucumbers can absorb pesticide residues. The peels can be composted or added to homemade broth, reducing desperdicio. Pineapple contains bromelain, an enzyme that aids digestion and reduces inflammation. Proper digestion lightens the load on the liver. Fresh, organic pineapple chunks make a great snack or smoothie base. Use the core and peel to make infused water or compost, turning every part of the fruit into value and minimizing waste. Papaya is rich in enzymes like papain, as well as antioxidants like vitamin C and beta-carotene. It helps cleanse the digestive system and indirectly supports the liver. A slice of fresh papaya with lime juice is both refreshing and supportive of liver function. Organic papayas help reduce chemical exposure. Seeds can be dried and used as a natural dewormer or composted. Spirulina is a blue-green algae packed with nutrients, including chlorophyll, protein, and B vitamins. It supports liver detox and immune function. A teaspoon of organic spirulina powder in water, juice, or smoothies is all it takes. Buy from reputable sources to ensure purity. Store properly to prevent spoilage and desperdicio. Olive oil, especially extra virgin and organic, contains healthy fats and antioxidants that support liver repair. It helps absorb fat-soluble vitamins and provides anti-inflammatory benefits. Use it for dressings, low-heat cooking, or drizzling on roasted vegetables. Choose oils in glass bottles and recycle the containers. Using smaller portions helps avoid spoilage and waste. Fermented foods like kimchi, tempeh, and miso promote gut health. A healthy gut means fewer toxins reach the liver. These foods are rich in probiotics and enzymes. Fermenting your own vegetables at home using alimentos organicos can be rewarding and helps you reduce desperdicio. Leftover brine from fermentation can be used in dressings or marinades. Water is often forgotten but is vital for liver detox. Drinking enough filtered water every day helps flush toxins from the blood and maintain hydration. Add slices of organic lemon, cucumber, or mint to water for variety. Carry a reusable water bottle to reduce plastic waste. Make drinking water a consistent habit to support every detox process in your body. Herbal teas like milk thistle, dandelion root, and nettle have been traditionally used to cleanse the liver. They stimulate detoxification and offer antioxidant protection. Drinking 1 or 2 cups a day of organic herbal tea supports liver function gently. Choose loose-leaf tea when possible and compost the used herbs. Herbal teas also help with hydration and relaxation. Incorporating liver-friendly habits into daily life also means planning meals, shopping wisely, and storing food properly. Meal planning helps you stick to a plant-based diet while minimizing desperdicio. Buying in-season alimentos organicos reduces costs and supports local farmers. Store leafy greens in breathable bags, freeze ripe fruits, and rotate pantry stock to avoid waste. Educating yourself and others about liver health can lead to long-term lifestyle changes. Understanding which foods support liver function empowers better choices. Share recipes, try new ingredients, and get family or friends involved. Education also includes reading labels, avoiding additives, and recognizing the importance of organic and sustainable agriculture. You don't need to eliminate all unhealthy foods at once. Focus on crowding them out by adding more plant-based, whole foods. Each positive choice makes a difference. The more consistent you are, the more your body will respond. Energy levels may improve, digestion becomes smoother, and skin might appear clearer, all signs that your liver is functioning better. Even small actions add up. Choosing alimentos organicos when possible, avoiding food desperdicio by repurposing leftovers, and preparing meals at home make a big impact. These practices support not only liver health but also global sustainability. A healthy liver supports energy, focus, hormone balance, and emotional stability. It is a central organ for overall well-being. Always remember that food is a powerful tool for healing. Every bite is a chance to nourish your cells, reduce inflammation, and protect your organs. The liver works tirelessly without rest, so giving it the support it needs is a form of self-care and respect for your body. Eating with intention leads to a healthier future.